Hello everybody, welcome to Family English with Mr. Kabada. Today I'm going to talk about a new topic which is possession words, special have and has, and the different uses of have and has. So we'll discuss by giving some examples for each, particularly have and what different they have between have and have got, has and has got. I'll give you some example sentences. Hello, እንዴት ናችሁ? Family English with Mr. ከበደ ነኝ። በዛሬው ዕለት መነጋገር የምፈልገው ጉዳይ have እና have got has and has got አጠቃቀማቸው ምንድነው? አጠቃቀማቸው ስንል different uses የተለያየ አጠቃቀም አላቸው እነሱ ነው ከኮንቴክስት አንፃር እሱን ማሳየት ነው። actually the first one have and have got, has and has got, they have the same meaning. Yes, have, a sentence which can be constructed with have, has the same meaning with have got. I have or I have got, she has or he has, she has got or he has got. No difference meaning at all. No difference. So the first functions of have or have got, has or has got. For possession, possession means it shows ownership, proprietor or belongingness, right? Belongingness. I have this, I have a book, I have a nice car, I have a nice flat, I have a nice apartment. If you say just like that, which are the same meaning with I have got a nice flat, a nice apartment, a nice car, which no difference meaning at all. So possession means ንብረትነትን ማሳያ ወይም ንብረትነትን መግለጫ ማለት ነው። possession ማለት yes belonging ነው በሌላ አገላለጽ ያ ለምሳሌ I have got a nice car, so I will give you a lift. What I have got means I have got a nice, but the car belongs to me, so I will give you a lift if you like. It can be, this sentence can be written as I have a nice car, no difference in meaning. All right, sometimes some people may think as get is a past form of get, but it doesn't mean that, right? አንዳንድ ጊዜ get የሲምፕል ፕሬዘንት ወይም የጌት ፓስት ፎርም አድርገን ምንቆጥረዋለን ግን እንደዛ ማለት አይደለም actually. I got ምንጠቀም ከሆነ of course ለብቻው get ምንጠቀም ከሆነ the past form of get ሊሆን ይችላል። I got something yesterday ልትል ትችላለህ። I get ካልክ ፕሬዘንት ነው of course። ግን if get go with this primary auxiliary verb have and has, it doesn't show about past, but it refers about the present and the present, particularly for the present time, not the future time, not the past time. አሁን ጊዜ ላይ ነው የምናወራው። Yes, right. I have a nice car and I have got a nice car. No difference meaning, please. She has so many friends, so she will enjoy her life here. She has so many means she has a lot of friends or so many friends. possession ያ አላት ነው አይደል? ብዙ ጓደኞች አሉ። ስለዚህ she will enjoy her life here. ይሄንን she has got English story books, of course. She has got English story books. She has a lot of English books which belongs to her. So she has so many friends, ብዙ ጓደኞች አላት፣ ብዙ የእንግሊዘኛ ስቶሪ ቡክስ አላት። መኖርን ፖሴሽን የሚገልጹ ነገሮች ናቸው። ስለዚህ has እና has got, have got እና has the same meaning, possession እንገልጽባቸዋለን ማለት ነው። yes possession. I have got on I have English reference books. I have got English reference books. The book belongs to me. The books are with me actually. So second one please. ሁለተኛው have got and have. ሁለተኛው have got and have, they show possession what's called illness or sickness እንጠቀባቸዋለን። ቀደም ንብረትነትን ማሳያ ነው። አሁን ደግሞ sickness or illness ህመምን መታመምን እንገልጽባቸዋለን። እነዚህን have got and has got. Take as an example please. I have got a cough. I have got a cough. I'm going to visit the doctor. I've got a car. I've got a cough. So I've got means I'm infected by a cough, or I'm sick of cough, or I'm sick of cough means I feel sick, so my problem is cough. I've got, or I have a cough so that I will go to hospital. I have a cough and I have got a cough. No difference meaning. I have got a cough ስትል መታመምን ነው የሚገልጽልህ። I have a cough ስትል መታመን ነው የምገልጽልህ I have malaria but I don't know the cause I feel sick but I don't know the cause means I feel sick means I have some problem I have some problem on my health so sickness illness she has malaria and he has malaria and he is in hospital now he has malaria means he is infected or he is sick of malaria or he has got malaria መታመምን ነው yes መታመምን illness የምንገልጽበት ሁለተኛ የሃቭ get እና የሃዝ get or የሃቭ አጠቃቀማቸው illness እንገልጽባቸዋለን nice this is the second one please the third use of this for taking a bath or for taking a wash መታጠብ yeah if you want to wash if you want to have a wash if you want to just indicate something for a wash so you can use have take as an example I'm so tired let me have a bath means let me take a shower have let me have what it doesn't show here sickness and position but it refers about someone is sick I don't know someone is in a position to take shower in a position to take a wash because he's so tired all right taking for a shower taking for a wash so we use have and have got look here I'm so tired so let me have a wash or have got a bath have got a bath possible no have got a bath or let me have a bath in for taking a wash I'm having a bath is also possible please I'm having but wait a minute please I'm having a bath yes don't switch off the light I'm having a bath I'm taking a shower or I'm washing my body this also the third uses of have got and have but we cannot infer possession with having possession መግለጽ ስንፈልግ having አንጠቀም implied ትርጉሙ አይሰጠንም ስለዚህ I'm having a car አልልም I'm having what's called I'm having a calf አልልም illnessንም አልገልጽበትም or I'm having a nice flat አልልም no meaning at all if you say just I'm having means which is a present continuous or the ing forms of having doesn't give sense about illness or doesn't give meaning to show about illness and possession it's completely wrong it's wrong so we cannot use but in this case possible I'm having a bath means I'm taking a shower right I'm washing my body it means so this is the third for taking a wash we can use have and have got has and has got is also possible number 4 have get or have means take something እሱን እንገልጠቀበታለን it's yours please have it if you say just like this it's yours please have it take yours have it means take it please take it please it's yours have it below have get አልጠቀበትም of course have it below take it ያንተ ነው take it ማለት ነው is you sure have you sure please of course have a nap if you feel tired have a nap if you feel tired of course have a nap is take a nap take a short sleep but not have get አትጠቀም have is also possible here have means have a nap if you feel tired means take a nap a short sleep 3 to 5 minutes sleep if you feel tired and you can take a rest have time and discuss it please have time all right if you want to discuss with her or with him have some time look here if you want to discuss with him or with her have some time and come to the solution please have time means take some time yes have means take it ከሷ ጋር ተወያይታችሁ መፍትሄ ላይ መድረስ የምትፈልጉ ከሆነ have a discussion ብትለው of course take a discussion enjoy አድርግ ለማለት ነው ስለዚህ take የሚለውን ትርጉም ይሰጣችኋል ማለት ነው having especially have nice the other important uses of have it means what sit down it means sit down have a seat here please have a seat hi friends come on don't go over there here is a space to sit have a seat or have a chair ስትለው sit down please ማለት ነው what does that mean no please not get any place to sit there have a seat here please sit down have means sit down it has such kind of meaning, but we cannot use have got sit down, has got sit down. We cannot just like this. have got እና has got አልተጠቀምበትም። haven't particularly ግን ልክ በዚህ ኮንቴክስት መጠቀም እንችላለን። it also refers to eat። ስድስተኛ አጠቃቀሙ eat የሚለውን ትርጉም ይሰጣቸዋል haveን ስንጠቀም። if you feel hungry, have your lunch. if you feel hungry, have your lunch means eat your lunch. that's it have your lunch ስትል sit down ማለት አይደለም፣ take ማለት አይደለም፣ watch ማለት አይደለም፣ eat ማለት ነው አይደለ? so the context matters to use have. so the context of the example sentence quite different because to show about the implied meanings of have and has got. have that one over there, it seems tasty. have that one over there, it seems tasty. It seems just have that one means it. If that one please, which is on the fridge or which is in the fridge or on the table or maybe on the tray, have it. Eat it please if you like it. It's tasty actually. So this is also another usage of have to eat የሚለውን ትርጉም ይሰጣቸዋል, but it is safer to use have get. It's quite wrong. if you feel hungry, have got your lunch is impossible. We cannot use have got or has got, right? the other important uses of has and have got. it has 3 ways of preparing questions or asking questions please. በሶስት መልክ ጥያቄ መጠየቅ ትችላላችሁ። አሁን ይሄ 6 የሃቭ እና የሃቭ ገትን አጠቃቀም ነው ያየነው። possession, illness, take a shower, take, and also eat and sit down. We may have another important use of have and have got. These are sample examples. Try to practice it. The second point that I want to show here is how can you prepare or ask a question using have and have got. It has 3 ways of asking questions. ሶስት አይነት ጥያቄዎች አሉ እናዘጋጅበት። have you got time to do it? have you got time to do it? possible no, yes. have you got time to do it? or have you got a nice flat to live? have you got a nice flat to live? or have you got friends to enjoy your life here? have you got friends to enjoy your life here? possession, yes, possession. or have you got a nice book to refer about the words that you want to know? have you got? exactly. if the response is positive, yes I have. if negative, no I haven't got, yes I have got. exactly. another ways of asking is do you have time to read? do you have any car for your wedding? do you have any car for your wedding? do you have any flat for renting? do you have time to do it? do you have any friends to enjoy your life here? it has the same meaning with have got. possession ነው የሚገልጹላችሁ ሁለቱም። do you have time አሁን የተሰጣችሁ ምሳሌ ከመጀመሪያው ምሳሌ ጋር ተመሳሳይ ናቸው። መልሳቸው yes I do have, no I don't have ብለን መልሳለን። the third way here is have you time to do it? have you time to do it? have you a nice car? have you a nice apartment? have you friends here? but it is less usual. less usual means weak sense አለው ነው። okay, we do not commonly use this structure for asking questions. have you time to do it? possible ነው, meaningful ነው፣ ግን less usual ነው ማለት በአብዛኛው አንጠቀምበትም። በአብዛኛው የምንጠቀምባቸው ሁለቱን የመጀመሪያዎቹ ነው። anyway, what I want to show here is when you think of have and have got, we have 3 ways of asking questions. 1, have plus subject got. Second, do or does plus subject plus have. The third one, have you and has you. The response here is yes I have, or yes I have time, or no I haven't time, or no yes I have friends, no I haven't friends. Yeah. So these are the 3 ways of asking question. The other one here is question part 2. has got and has እንዴት እንጠቀምበታለን? ሁለተኛውን ማሳየት እንፈልገው። has she got a car? if we can just use has got and has for singular speaker, singular verb, so we can use singular subject. has is true for he, has is true for she, has is true for it because they are for third person singular. We cannot use have for this person or these speakers. nice. has she got a car? yes she has got, no she hasn't got a car. possible no. has she a car? Yes, she has. No, she hasn't a car. Possible. Get none. None. Its intensity is somehow less intensity. Of course, it has a meaning, but we cannot commonly ask or use this question if we want to ask whether she has something with her. So, possible no? Again, less usual no? Commonly but meaningful no, of course. Does she have get a car? Look here. Does she have get? The main question word here is does because the speaker here is she. Have is common for here. We cannot use has because ሁለት ሲንጉለር ቨርቦች በአንድ እንደዚህ አይነት አረፍተ ነገር ላይ ሊሄዱ አይችሉም። ስለዚህ እንደዚህ አይቻልም ማለት ነው። does she has get ብንል no meaning at all። ምክንያቱም የዚህ ጥያቄ ሰብጀክት ቨርብ አግሪመንታችን does ከማን ጋር ነው? ከስፒከሩ ከሺ ጋር ነው የሚሄደው። ስለዚህ አሁን appropriate ነው subject verb agreement parallelism ነው ያለው does she has wrong ነው does she have get a car ወይም has she got a car or has she a car yes of course yes she does have no she doesn't have a car because it's not our intention to change this have into has it's wrong please yeah በእንግሊዘኛ የግራመር አጠቃቀም እዚህ ጋር ያለው verb singular ከሆነ ከሱ ተቀጥሎ የሚመጣው possessive verb በሲንጉላር አይገለጽም ምክንያቱም ሁለት ሲንጉላር ቨርቦች በተከታትሎ በአንድ አረፍተ ነገር ላይ ሊመጡ አይችሉም ስለዚህ የዚህ አረፍተ ነገር ቨርባችን ሜን ቨርባችን ይሄ ዳዝ ነው እዚህ ጋር ያለው በፕሉራል ፎርም ነው የሚገለጸው ያ ማለት ሐሳቡ ፕሉራል ፎርም ማለት አይደለም ስለዚህ yes she does have no she doesn't have that's right please these are also the three ways of asking questions especially has and has get nice yeah I think for the past tense especially for the past for have and have got is one had and the other did questioning yeah example please here she had a flat last year she had all pronouns commonly use had yes because had is the past forms of had is the past form of have and have got but we cannot say had got it is forbidden to use had got and take had get completely wrong no we don't have this kind of sentence structure please ቀደም ልክ እንዳልኳችሁ past formaቸው had ብቻ ነው I had friends when I was here I had friends when I was here all right እዚህ እንደነበር ጓደኞች አሉኝ ወይ ነበሩ ይስል possession ነው I had a lot of flowers when I was working in flower company bill of course look I had but I had get bill meaningless no we cannot say like that please okay get is the past form of get and had is the past form of have and have two past verbs cannot go together in a very single sentence we cannot use actually so it is safer to use had got here nice for asking question we have three ways did she have a car ምክንያቱም did ማለት የዳዝ እና የዱ past form ነው did she have a car yes she did no she didn't have መኪና ነበራት ነው yes አዎ she did ማለት ነበራት ነው no she didn't have አልነበራትም ነው had she a car exactly yes we can say had she got a car had she a car yes she had no she hadn't so we cannot get had got for the past after I told you first this is also true please yeah quite these are the different ways of using have and have got one the context or the usage of have and have got I show you 6 different ways and the other important point is how can people ask questions using have got and have has got and has especially the past form of had this is today's lesson actually and you can use this have and have got sometimes it is ambiguous when you make sentences but I want to make it clear by giving my examples this from Family English thank you for watching try to contact through this contact address nice bye bye